Okay, sometimes we get a file from a customer or a client, and we've got to fix some problems in that file. One of the problems might be that we have a lot of extra spaces. We look in column B, we see there's a lot of extra spaces in these words, and it's a little confusing to use. So we want to get rid of those. It's very simple. We're going to do 4 steps. First, we're going to click anywhere in the range. We're going to insert a table. And so we're going to click there. It's going to say, yes, we have headers. Okay, it's a table. Now we're going to go to column C. We're going to insert a column between column C and column B by insert. Next, we're going to put it in our function equals trim, open paren, identify what cell you want to trim the extra spaces out of, close parenthesis. When you hit enter, it'll copy this all the way down the page. Now these are all formulas. What we need to do next is we need to convert these formulas to values. So we're going to right click on the edge. It's going to give us our 4 directional arrow. We're going to right click and hold. We're now going to drag to the right, drag it back to the left, right on top of itself, let it up, copy here as values only, and now those are all text without any extra spaces. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you real soon.